Victor Spiritual Teachings, Chapter 11, Internal Changes. Soon after the spiritual opening begins, greater inner transformation takes place. The person begins to feel the energy of love in the body, but mostly in the head at the beginning of the process. He also feels more light-hearted inside with decreasing worries and anxiety. The fear slowly fades away, even though it takes time. There can also be a great fluctuation in the emotional sphere, where great sadness alternates with joy and happiness. A great imbalance takes place in the body as well as in the spiritual realm at this point. The ego is still fighting for its position, and at the same time the soul comes more to the surface and shows itself in the person's face and attitude as well as thoughts. This interaction between soul and ego creates a great imbalance. The person at this point has a great need and desire to be alone with himself, away from everything and everyone. While this imbalance passes, it is important to be alone for a while, but this will later change, and the desire to be with people will increase again as you progress. Sleep habits can be disrupted, and the need for a lot of sleep is not uncommon, as there are a lot of physical conflicts as well as mental ones. A lot of sleep also helps to balance and calm the body, nerves, and energy system. It is important to listen to your body now, as always, and allow yourself to rest when tiredness comes over. This is the body calling for rest, which is an important part of spiritual opening. It is a big part of spiritual openness to always be aware of yourself, your feelings, and the feelings that are carried in your chest, because they carry a lot of information that is worth listening to and following. One of the things that change dramatically during spiritual awakening and opening is that the person stops living through thoughts and reasoning and will learn to live life through their emotions. Then the person begins to flow with the life in a sweet way, floating along and enjoying what life has to offer. In this way, one learns to live in the moment without fearing the future or drawing up negative memories from the past. When this is achieved, the person has gained a great deal of freedom within, which will only increase as the opening progresses. It is important to keep going on, not let inner conflict and struggles take away your strength and power, nor let others and the environment discourage you. The progress can come in doses, and often it is as if nothing is happening and no progress is taking place, but during that time there is a lot going on inside the person, even though it is not felt. Then suddenly progress comes in big steps, and a lot happens in a short time. Then there is a great desire to continue, because this acts as a great motivation for the person. The progress can be greater perception of energy in the body and a change of mindset toward more positivity, love and lightness. It is as if the problems and worries gradually disappeared from the person's life. The things that used to cause anxiety, fear and distress have stopped doing so, and such things become more trivial now than before. The things and events that used to create worry and anxiety are still there. The only thing that has changed is the mindset and attitude of the one who is opening. At this point, it can be said that the ego and the soul alternate taking inner control, which leads to great emotional fluctuation that can be challenging. There are also major physical changes where the body begins to open to more and higher energy than before. It begins to release old energy that sits in the body from the past and has prevented new energy from entering the body. The body rate is also increasing in slow steps. This process takes a toll on the person and a lot of fatigue passes, so it is important to rest well when the opportunity arises and allow these changes to pass. The more rest that you can be taken, the greater the results. And this transformation will take place faster than it otherwise would. The duration of this process varies greatly from person to person, and it is all up to each individual how quickly this transformation takes place. It is important to continue the meditation, pray, and always be aware of one's thoughts, words, and actions. It is also good to exercise regularly and go for a good walks and use them for meditation. In this way, the journey will progress well, and the physical transformation as well as the spiritual ones will take place. The spiritual opening and the transformations that comes with it take place in slow steps so that the spirit and the body adapt to the changed energy and frequency steadily and the speed that the body and the mind can handle. The time this takes is mostly determined by how long the change of the mindset takes for each individual. Because a changed mindset and attitude towards oneself, others, and the existence are the most important here. Also the body that needs time to adjust to higher energy and frequency. During this transformation, every single cell of the body changes and increases its frequency and energy. Therefore, it happens in the speed that the body can handle.